Hi guys, today I wanna practice speaking English, so I hope you don't mind about that. Blah 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 blah. While making this video, I was speaking English, but while editing, I realized I shouldn't be talking in cooking videos because I look stupid. But anyway, I'm making beef Wellington today, following Gordon Ramsay's recipe. And since I'm not talking, here's a song by Michael Bublé that you can enjoy. So enjoy. For this, we're gonna go with shiitake mushroom, some steak of your choice, but it should be round so you can wrap it in a puff pastry. And some ham. Gordon Ramsay used Parma ham, but I think it's really difficult for me and also it's very expensive. I'm not going to use it today. Some garlic, some thyme. You only use 1 egg yolk. Seasoning and English mustard. I think this one is Dijon mustard, but it's works the same, right? It's mustard anyway.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. And I know someday that it'll all turn out. You'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. I might have to wait, I'll never give up. I guess it's half timing and the other half's luck. Wherever you are, whenever it's right, you'll come out of nowhere and into my life. And I know that we can be so amazing. And baby, your love is gonna change me. And now I can see every possibility. Somehow I know that it'll all turn out. You'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. They say all's fair in love and war, but I won't need to fight it. We'll get it right. We'll be united. And I know that we can be so amazing. And being in your life is gonna change me. And now I can see every single possibility. And someday I know it'll all turn out. And I'll work to work it out. Promise you, kid, I'll give more than I get, than I get, than I get, than I get. Oh, you know it'll all turn out. And you'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you can to give so much more than I get. Yeah, I just haven't met you yet. I just haven't met you yet. Oh, I promise you can to give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. Yeah, I just haven't met you yet.